Conventional machines have two major disadvantages. The cabling through the entire machine to the central control cabinet is quite complex, and the wiring and programming of non-modular machines is confusing and prone to errors. Decentralized automation offers clear advantages. Intelligent, decentralized I/O components create flexibility and enable the individual machine modules to easily be combined. Programmable fieldbus technology autonomously controls the machine modules. Prefabricated connectivity solutions ensure the machines are connected quickly and without errors. Special safety modules process all safety-relevant signals. The result is simplified, clear programming. The commissioning time is also considerably reduced. The bottom line is that self-sufficient machine modules score points with manufacturers and users alike thanks to their maximum flexibility. Decentralized automation from Turck, modular automation and distributed intelligence in IP67.